नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका होस्ट हीरालाल।
Functions the old way.
All of you to this special meeting of depot officers and divisional stores officers. This meeting is especially for modernization of stores depot.
So when I came here, and not only here, everywhere, I could not find even single ward which is good looking ward.
New Bangaigaon Carriage and Wagon Workshop was conceived in the year 1961 after formation of North Frontier Railway on 15th of January 1956. It is located at about 2 km distance from New Bangaigaon railway station. Bangaigaon is the nearby township about 4 km from workshop. The workshop started with monthly output of 10 four-wheeler units of meter gauge coaches and 50 units of meter gauge wagons. After a lot of augmentation in the capacity and other areas, this workshop is monthly overhauling 59 broad gauge coaches and 20 broad gauge wagons and nearly 5 diesel electric multiple units demo coaches and 2 meter gauge coaches. In addition, delivering about 70 numbers of overhauled bogies for broad gauge coaches and 20 number for meter gauge coaches and 1100 pairs of wheel sets per month. Moreover, it is also delivering narrow gauge wheel sets for Darjeeling Hill Railway. Obviously, there are lot of responsibilities on the workshop stores depot located inside. It is true that a neat and clean environment, good housekeeping with systematic and orderly stocking of stores always starts paying dividends immediately. It creates healthy and stress-free and joyful working environment. Have a look at the state of Stores Depot as it was in the past. Here, housekeeping, broken pathways full of jungles and bushes, a larger than life mess up. Dirty wards and whatnot. Place for everything and everything in place. Mr. Paramjeet Singh Sathi, an industrial engineer and the Deputy Chief Materials Manager of the new Bangaigaon Stores Depot, has brought out complete makeover of this store depot in spite of all odds using 5S system for good housekeeping from Toyota Production System. Initially, the surroundings of Stores Depot were in a very bad shape. with garbage, jungle and scrap materials littered all along the store's depot. The gloomy picture of store's depot initially discouraged any effort. There was no housekeeping contract in the store's depot, while the entire workshop was covered under housekeeping contract. The turning moment started with the introduction of general manager's inspection of workshop, in which store's depot was also a part. Chief Works Manager, Inspector of Works, Divisional Railway Manager took a round of store's depot before General Manager's annual inspection. Really, things were found in deplorable state. An urgent need was felt to improve them from all sides, including the depot staff. A wave of sense for improvement engulfed all and everybody.
खींच लो क्या हो गया खींच लो
We all just started thinking of improvement and do improvement. Major thrust was on the wards that may fall in the path of general manager during his annual inspection. The collective thrust was very effective. JCB machines were also deployed for the first time in the depot for the quick removal of garbage, leveling and unwanted trees, etc. Jungle and bushes in the depot area in many places were cut for the first time, utilizing the impressed cash given by Chief Works Manager. Major achievement was cleanliness drive. Wards which were perhaps never cleaned for many years were cleaned now. Many wards rediscovered concrete flooring, newer and better ideas for storage and stacking, preservation, elimination of unwanted items, waste removal, etc. were quickly implemented effectively. Within a few weeks, entire depot was transformed into a totally new reincarnation. There was a great sense of accomplishment in the depot staff as they were also awarded by the general managers. The experience during general manager's annual inspection brought out immense hidden potential of the staff. A thought that if so much can be done in a few weeks, what could not be done for years was the starting point. The famous 5 steps for good housekeeping were taken care of while transforming the store's depot. That is, sort out unnecessary items and discard them. Sort out unnecessary quantity of items and store only necessary quantity of required items. C10. Arrange necessary items in good order so that they can be easily picked up for use. There should be a place for everything and everything should be in its place. So, clean your workplace completely so that there is no dust on floor, equipments or materials. Maintain high standards of housekeeping. and workplace in the organization all the times. Prevent workplace from becoming dirty and maintain hygiene. Sheet Suke. Train people to follow good housekeeping discipline autonomously. Shortcomings, pending works during the general manager inspection were then taken up. Hard-working and capable staff was identified and were given work accordingly. Notorious and non-functioning staff were also identified and closely monitored. All staff amenities, whether expressed or unexpressed, were also taken care of. Thus, a chain of slow improvement started in the stores depot. Few local suppliers who agreed to do small work in the depot on non-profit basis were also encouraged. Local purchase orders were preferred on them for items needed for improvement while maintaining proper quality and the cost of material. These group of local suppliers made tremendous contribution in improvement of depot, right from jammed doors of the stocking wards to development of specialized racks, fabrication of small items for depot garden to repairs of furniture of staff. Some of the local suppliers and scrap purchasers donated saplings too for plantation in the depot. Blessings of Shri K.B. Sahai, ex-Chief Works Manager, New Bangaigaon Workshop, cannot be forgotten, who made immense contribution for improvement of New Bangaigaon Workshop Stores Depot. He personally monitored all stocking wards of the depot. He provided bush sweeping machine, jungle cutting machine, as well as allowed many engineering works in the stores depot. Controller of stores, frequent inspection of workshop and stores depot also helped a lot for urgently needed items for workshop production. Provision of funds required for most of machinery and plants item required in stores depot by a headquarter. There was apprehension that nobody will follow system after implementation of 5S of housekeeping in the stores depot. However, the concept 5S was implemented with the positive approach. Depot officer's role is to set up systems. If there is no system, how can it be followed? Implementation was started with printing of posters of 5S system in Hindi as well as local vernacular languages. Staff were explained about the system. Locations for different equipments, machines, etc. were fixed and marked. Initial monitoring was done in close supervision. Later, switched over to real supervisors. It was a very pleasant experience. Even staff from workshop understood and followed this system. The advantages derived are very good. Housekeeping is achieved. All instruments, equipments, etc. are readily traceable. Waste and unwanted items were eliminated. Hence, it provides a very nice and encouraging ambience at the workplace. Palletization in the receipt section. In order to prevent double handling of materials, a small effort was made to provide 20 numbers of pallets from the funds provided by the headquarters. To ensure longer life of pallets, 12 compact sheets were fixed on top of each pallet. The advantages derived are it eliminated double handling of materials in the receipt section. Materials can be easily handled by hydraulic pallet trucks, forklifts, etc. It also reduces manual efforts and time during handling of material. It helps reduction in damage of materials and ensures good housekeeping and ambience. Constant encouragement by the general manager, visiting heads of other departments, awards and appreciations given to the staff and depot officers by insiders and outside officials, sense of belongingness to improvement in stores depot. Among all, inner zeal of depot staff to materialize even toughest idea of depot officer, a sense of doing good for the railways and society was the motivation for the staff. stackable oil barrel storage racks. In order to properly store oil barrels in recommended horizontal position with 9 o'clock position, these storage racks were designed and procured as per specification. These storage racks were painted with oil resistant acrylic paint. Square frames were provided in the racks for use in case of forks to prevent toppling of racks at height during handling. Racks were designed with due consideration for handling leaks from the barrel during storage. Advantages achieved are: it is possible to keep barrel in recommended position. Easy transfer of material. It is possible to utilize vertical storage space. Leakages and related wastages can be easily handled by providing suitable tray for barrels. Double cantilever pipe storage rack was designed and fabricated in-house in the workshop. It uses V-shaped cantilever racks to support steel pipes at 1/4 of length of pipe from both ends. It used for small quantity pipes of different types, say stainless steel pipes for coaches. Lightest pipes are stacked in the top tier. The advantages are: it multiplies the number of pipes per same storage space. Different pipes can be stored in the same rack in multiple tiers. Ease of piecemeal issue. Ease of counting material. It helps good housekeeping due to free floor space for cleaning. It also provides a very good ambience. Implementation of barcode system. Barcode is basically representation of alphanumeric data in terms of barcode, which can easily be read by standard barcode reader. The barcode reader is basically very simple and cheap device costing around only 5,000 rupees. It reads barcode and types it at the cursor position on the computer screen. Pallet storage rack system. In the recent past, there was continuous increase in the outturn of coaches and wagons in the new Bangaigaon workshop. Moreover, additional work of demo coaches is also added. Due to this, there was a need for generating additional storage space to properly store additional new materials. A new godown was constructed in the stores depot about 2 years back with vertical storage height up to say 5 meters. But there was no means to utilize the vertical storage space in terms of principle of cubicle space utilization. Several professional storage solutions providers, including Messrs. Godrej, were invited in the stores depot for providing storage solutions. However, they also failed to provide solution for full utilization of storage space. Two-ton capacity pallets were introduced in the stores depot for the first time. By this way, it was seen that material can be effectively stored in the pallets at the floor level up to hardly 1 meter height. If we could store one pallet above another, we can enhance capacity of our godown utilization. In extension of this thought, idea of pallet storage rack was conceived. The new godown has facility of overhead EOT crane. Therefore, it was possible to vertically lift and place pallet storage rack one above another. Accordingly, design of pallet storage rack made with due consideration of safety also. Initially, only 3 storage racks were procured. Each rack was made with square hollow steel section. On top of each rack, 4 locating pins were provided. These locating pins matched with and properly located over other hollow steel pillars of racks stacked above. The front door was made in 2 parts so that piecemeal withdrawal of material from the pallet is possible. Other 3 sides of rack were covered with the steel wire mesh to provide safety against falling materials. Anchoring system was also provided in the pallet storage rack as safety device. If more than 3 racks are to be stacked in one column. The next challenge was to design some lifting arrangements which could lift pallet storage racks and place one above another, and also lift stacked pallet storage racks at height at top and place it at ground level. For safety, some features were required in lifting arrangements, such as it should be very sturdy. All hooks of lifting arrangement should open and close simultaneously. Hooks of lifting arrangement should hold open or in closed position. Lifting arrangement should not open when load is suspended. Operation of opening and closing of hooks should be possible at height. It should be cheap and easy to fabricate using easily available material. Accordingly, lifting arrangements was designed and procured from local suppliers. Initially, 2 lifting arrangements for pallet storage racks were procured. The lifting arrangements were tested for a test load of more than twice the lifting capacity. The pallet storage system is very low cost storage solution, approximately say 33,000 rupees per rack and 25,000 rupees per lifting arrangement, which may further get reduced if produced in bulk. The pallet storage rack multiplied storage space several times. It is also possible to handle racks with forklift. It almost eliminates requirement of much costlier stackers and aisle space required to operate. It is further amenable to automation possible for operation of lifting arrangement and safety features. New Bangaigaon Stores Depot regularly handles dissolved acetylene and oxygen gas cylinders for consumption by the workshop. For unloading of gas cylinders, a concrete ramp is provided in the godown, which broke frequently as the ramp is not able to withstand the impact of gas cylinders during unloading from the truck. As a result, staff or labor tempted for dropping cylinders from a height, say 12 feet from the ground, using condemned truck tires as cushion or sometimes even without it. It was noticed that cylinders bumped against tires and bounced back dangerously. This practice was very dangerous as there was possibility of accident due to breakage of cylinder valves, etc. Hence, there was urgent need for such a resilient ramp which could withstand frequent heavy impact gas cylinders. This could be done with provision of polyurethane layer over ramp, but cost of such layer was very high and not affordable within the meager resources with the store's depot. Mr. Paramjeet Singh Sathi, Deputy Chief Material Manager of the store's depot, tackled this problem at much cheaper cost by using unwanted 12 mm compreg sheet sandwiched between the scrapped elastomeric pads of axle pulley. The elastomeric pads were cleaned and secured on both sides of 12 mm compreg sheet with adhesive and self-tapping screws. This assembly was then fixed on top of the ramp with anchor bolts. Condemned tires of truck were fixed on vertical sides of the ramp with anchor bolts to act as a buffer between cylinder carrying truck and the ramp. The refurbished ramp was carefully painted to avoid damage by local rainy and humid climate. The entire work was done at a very small cost. Now, unloading of gas cylinders is safe with no damage to the cylinders and almost eliminated accidents also. In the absence of loading platform, loading of empty gas cylinders was done manually. It was much demanding and laborious job and also a slow process resulting into long detention of trucks and of course inhuman task of working in scorching heat of summers. The depot team decided to construct a platform using 6 mm steel checkered sheet and condemned meter gauge rails. Depot staff volunteered for excavation of foundation for pillars required for construction of the platform. Work of foundation for pillars, rails and checkered sheet installation was outsourced at a petty cost. The huge platform of size 12 meter by 6 meter was created within a cost of rupees only 15,000. Now, loading of gas cylinder is enjoyable for the staff. Enough storage space for cylinders. The benefits derived as no damage to the cylinder, reduced risk of accidents. Shri S.C. Savaiya, Chief Works Manager, NB New Bangaigaon Workshop as at present, also has helped by provision of funds for dispensing units of diesel storage facility and for development of pallet storage racks. He also gave free hand in development of stores depot. New Bangaigaon Workshop consumes a large amount of high-speed diesel or HSD oil for steam cleaning machine, axle box cleaning plant, etc. HSD oil is stocked by Bangaigaon Stores Depot, which is about 7 km from the main stores depot at New Bangaigaon. So far, HSD oil in the main stores depot was stored in 200 liters barrels, which were prone to leakage and fire hazards. As stores depot was not having adequate storage space, workshop as well as stores depot regularly had to collect from Bangaigaon stores depot located far off. Only small quantity of HSD oil could be collected in barrels in trucks at a time. during mapping and mopping drive for scrap. Condemned meter gauge tank wagon was spotted in the bushes. The best utilization of this tank wagon was thought of in consultation with CWM New Bangaigaon workshop. He promptly extended his help by relocation of this tank wagon with proper storage and dispensing facility. Meter gauge tank wagon was installed near to the main New Bangaigaon stores depot along with the dispensing unit. All safety aspects such as provision of secondary containment tank, provision of 6 feet high wire mesh fence, use of flame-proof CCE approved motors, use of camlock coupling, use of HSD pump with mechanical seal, provision of CCE approved dispensing units, provision of vent pipes as per CCE guidelines, etc. were all taken care of. Friends, my intention of creating this video was twofold. One, encourage and highlight the hard work put in by my depot and workshop staff and all the field officers I have named here. 2. Why not other stores depot on NF Railway itself and of course on Indian Railway may get some kind of inkling to follow the suit wherever possible in their stores depots. A good number of stores depot on Indian Railway have gone far ahead in handling technology like ICF Perambur, RCF Kapurthala to name a few. Thanks for watching. Don't be ignorant of subscribing my channel Aniswal on YouTube.